Hello everyone. Once again welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. Dear parents, do you have curious kids? Then today I am here with one simple, easy and quick science experiment for your kids. This simple fun science experiment will teach your kids about the refraction of light. I am sure children will be amazed when they can make their own rainbow colors. At first, I will tell you what are the materials we require to do this simple home science experiment. We need 1 drinking glass, 1 white paper, water and direct sunlight. Procedure for step 1. Take a glass of water and a white paper and keep them to a part of the room where there is a window and direct sunlight. Step 2. Hold the glass of water above the white paper and watch carefully whether the sunlight passes through the glass of water or not. If the sunlight passes through the glass of water, then it forms a rainbow of colors on your sheet of paper. Rotate and move the glass of water around until we see different reflections of the rainbow colors. How is it possible? What is the reason for the sunlight after passing through the glass of water will form a rainbow of colors on a white sheet? We shall find out the answer. How does this experiment work? Yes, the answer is the refraction of light. Sunlight or white light is a mixture of all the different rainbow colors. The different rainbow colors are essentially mixed together to result in a white color. When white light passes from one medium to another medium of a different density, then the light bends. This is known as refraction of light. Therefore, white light is split up after passing from air to the glass of water and the individual colors become visible. This dispersion of light allows us to see the spectrum of colors that form a rainbow on the white sheet of paper. In nature, a rainbow is formed across the sky when sunlight is refracted on entering inside the droplet of rainwater. This is about an interesting rainbow science experiment for primary school children. I hope kids will try and enjoy this experiment. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Kindly give your valuable likes, comments and shares. Thank you everyone.